Hello everyone, welcome back to Nothing is Missing. My name is Domenico. Second drink that I'm pairing with sushi. It's going to be a long drink, foamy, rich in matcha, rich in flavor, rich in nothing else. Okay? Shaker. I need the shaker here. Some ice. Chilling the glass and chilling the shaker is always best practice. When you start bartending, you know that this is the first step of every cocktail preparation. Get ready with this. I just wanted to remind you guys that this show is something that we do for fun, but we also do because we like to share some useful knowledge about the cocktails without alcohol, because we believe this is a wonderful trend that is becoming a beautiful reality. And what I like to do is sharing as many recipes as I can to let you understand that this kind of mixology can be done with some great products, with some great things to add inside, great ingredients that will benefit you, your body, and the customers at your bar, and will benefit also the budget of your bar, because you can charge mocktails 10, 12, 15, 20 pounds depending on where you work. Voila, this kind of very visionary and very creative non-alcoholic matcha Ramos Feeds. It's got its foam, it's got some orange blossom on the top and sage leaf. Again, another food pairing with sushi, with a lot of sushi. The drink is here.
50 pieces.
Yeah, 50 pieces. Well, this is one of the good sides of being the boyfriend of a food photographer. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will give it a thumbs up and you will subscribe to the channel if you like what you see and if you find this useful. From Domenico, from all of us, thank you for watching. Enjoy your matcha, enjoy your sushi, and pair them because they work beautifully well together. Thank you. I think that if you subscribe to this channel and if you put the thumbs up and you comment below with some thoughts, that wouldn't hurt you. It will just support our channel and it will just support our job as creators.